I will show you how to import DNS records in GoDaddy. So let's get started with the video. Once we log into GoDaddy account, we need to click My Products tab. In the Products page, we need to enter the Domains section. We can click either the DNS or the Manage option. Both leads to domain DNS records. And here, we have all the DNS records under DNS section. To import DNS records, we need to click the Actions option. And again, from this pop-up menu list, we need to click the Import Zone file. Next we need to click here, and select the DNS records file, or the DNS zone file, from our computer, which can be uploaded into our GoDaddy DNS records. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.